Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how you can join Nafi affiliate system and start earning. The first step is to create your account. Open your browser and visit affiliate.nafi.com. If you're new here, simply fill in your basic details, your username, name, email, phone number, password, and your PayPal email or ID. This information is required so your account and earnings stay secure. Once done, click on sign up and your account will be created. If you already have an account, you don't need to sign up again. Just click on sign in and log in. Since I already have an account created, I'll simply log in now and show you the next step. Once you have logged in, the next step is to set up your social media accounts inside the system. From the left menu, click on AI powered social media. Here you'll see a simple form where you need to enter your social media handles. This includes your Facebook profile link, your LinkedIn profile link, and your Twitter or X profile link. Adding these links allows the system to verify your posts automatically and connect your daily activity with your streak rewards. So make sure the links are correct and point to your real profiles. Once everything is filled in, click submit. That's it. Your social media accounts are now connected to the Nafi affiliate system and you're ready to generate your daily content. Once you have submitted your social media handles, you will be taken to your main dashboard. And this is where everything starts to come together. Right at the top, you can see your daily summary, how many links you have submitted, your total commission, pending commission, approved commission, and your current balance. As you keep posting daily, you'll see all of these numbers grow. Just below that, we have added a very clear step-by-step guide that shows exactly how to complete your daily tasks. Now that you've read all the step-by-step instructions, the real action starts from button right here. Generate today's posts. When you click this, the system automatically creates all your content for today. Your posts, your comments, your images for every connected social media channel. You don't have to write anything yourself. Everything is ready-made, compliant, and optimized. You just have to copy and post. Now, for each social media channel, follow this exact process. First, copy the post content provided to you. Then click on Share Now button. This will open your social media news feed automatically. Now you have to paste the copied content. And the next step is to download this image that is provided just in front of your post content. Download this image. This step is mandatory. Do not skip the image and do not use any other image. After downloading it, upload the same image along with your post on social media platform. Once the post content is pasted and the image is uploaded, go ahead and publish the post. You just have to click the share button and your post will be done automatically. Now come back to your dashboard and copy the comment content provided. Here's your comment. You just have to click on the copy button. Basically click on the exact post link given by the system, not any other post. Here you can see a post has been opened. You just have to paste the copied comment and click on comment button. Your comment will be published. Now, coming back to the main dashboard, you will repeat the same steps on all social media platforms. Let's repeat it for LinkedIn. First, you will copy the post content. Click on Share Now button. This will open up your share feed. You will paste your content. Then you need to download the image before sharing and make sure you include the image with your post. Once this is done, just click on Post button and your post will be published. Again, the same step for the comment as well. You have to visit the official LinkedIn page and open the page that we have provided to you, not any other page. Here you can see we have already created a comment according to the context of this post. You just have to copy the content, whole comment content, and paste it here, just like this. Now you have to repeat the same steps for Twitter or X as well. Once this is done, your daily posting task is complete and ready for verification. Now I'll show you how to submit your post links so your streak and commissions are counted. From the left menu, click on Post Shredding Link Submission. Here you will first see a preview of your generated posts for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Like this. This helps you quickly confirm that you have published the correct content. Now I will select the post that I have published on my social media platforms. Now you just need to paste the links of the posts that you published on each platform. This means the link to your post only, not the comment link. We don't require your comment link because our system already knows the exact official post where you added your comment. Those comment links are already provided and tracked. Once all your post links are added, simply click Submit Post Links. That's it. Your submissions are now sent for automated verification. You have now completed your full posting cycle for the day. Your streak continues, your commissions grow, and you stay on track to earn your weekly and monthly rewards. After submitting your post links, you can scroll down to the Your Submissions section to see the status of your daily posts. Here you will see each platform, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, along with 2 items under each, your post and your comment. Right now, everything is marked as pending. This simply means that our automated system is still verifying your post and your comment. The system checks whether your post matches the exact system generated content, your comment was posted on the correct official link provided, your social media handle belongs to you, the links are valid and active. Once all of this is confirmed, your status changes from pending to approved. Once your submissions are approved, they count towards your daily streak, and that streak is what helps you unlock weekly rewards and commissions. Every action you take is tracked, and every approved submission pushes you closer to earning your weekly and monthly bonuses. And that's how simple it is. Stay consistent, follow the steps, and let the system turn your daily effort into real earnings. Thank you.